Good day everyone, I am here to show you how to configure computer client system in such an easy steps. But first, let us define why is network configuration is important. Network configuration is essential to support and to troubleshoot the flow of traffic through a network. It can also enhance network security and improve the network stability. Now let's proceed to the steps. First, let's set up the system's time and date. In Windows 10 operating system, you will see in the lower right part area of the desktop screen, you will see the time and date. Right-click on it and this will appear. Click the Adjust Date and Time. This will show up. Tick on Select to set time automatically. And if you want to set your time manually, you can also do it. So, as of now, it is 1 p.m. My time is sync and it is already correct. So, we will leave it as it is. Set time automatically. And then, if you set your time manually and you want to apply the changes, click the change. But as for me, the time is correct and the time is synced, so I will not change it. So as for the next step, we will set up the computer name. In setting up the computer name, we will search in the search bar this PC, right click on it and then click the properties. So it must be control panel, but this showed up, so we will search the control panel in the search bar to do it manually. Control panel, open it, click the system and security, and in the system, right click on it and then click the open, and this will show up. Click the change settings to rename. So for the computer description, we will type for documentation only. And to rename the computer, change Fresno, and in the work group, ICT CSS Rizal. Okay. We will wait. You will click the OK to apply the changes and restart your computer. And you will click restart now. So for the third step, we will install network driver, search the device manager, click it, and then as you can see here, it has network adapters. Click on it and then right click the NIC. You can see this. Click the update driver, search automatically for drivers, and then it says here that the best drivers for my device are already installed. So we will close it. Before we proceed to the fourth step or the last step, I just want to say why we need to choose the device manager than the other option. Device manager is more convenient for us to use. It is easy to find and more accessible than the other option. And you can easily locate it in your desktop or laptop. You don't need to spend money or buy some materials for you to update the drivers. So that is why it is more convenient to use than the other options. So for the last step, we will configure the network settings. So after the installation of your network driver, you are now ready to configure your network. So as you can see again at the lower part of your desktop screen, you will see the network adapter or the network internet access icon. You will right click it and then click the open network and internet settings. So as you can see, we need to do manually to view the network connection. So we will search it in the search bar, view network connection, and right click it, click the properties, then select the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, and then use the following IP address, then assign 192.168.1.143. For the subnet mask, it will automatically be 192.168.1.1. And for the preferred DNS server, it should be the same with the default gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. Then, after assigning the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the preferred DNS server, you will click OK to apply the changes. After that, access the command prompt or the CMD and then type the command ipconfig. So as you can see, our IP address has changed. Subnet mask, default gateway are also changed. And if you want to ping and test the connection, just type the ping and your IP address, and now you are done testing the connection, and now you are done configuring your computer client system.